min bebe toki sai alkana fembula ka foko ha malefe ka fo nyina fo nyani be toral tenente. Now you guys have no other choice but to make sure that to make use of any opportunity. Ale silo sila soro ale fitala interfitala dame ale fitala sestale sai ale fitala interfitala dame. We as Gambians interfana bena kata ko kala na men no wala mi didro mo krinta nying hajo topotala no ninte $100 kiale nangi $100 mal nafa fenna. But at the end of the day be go fund me yelale ko firmi alon ko be gambeno dal be shara dal ko dal tambe na dro gambeno liaji be ba ma ko ro no nyame. But al fitala interfitala momoma. Yes. So mbe bula na modo jibe mbe men dundal no jang nin topi ko ni barka bagi
ndila san mi momi nyinin kala na number yang call anytime.
Okay.
Mbe jabi ko abanyami wala kita nyadi le.
Okay.
Wala abakeka nyadi le.
Okay.
Mbabe for the fire ko.
Abarka. Thank you so much. Thank you for having the courage ka fintina pulka diamu waka gamben jama batandi. Thank you for being bold enough pulka fintina and speak for the rest of the orders men beje. Nindul be diamu kanne comme na fa nyame beta fintina no diamu at the same time they are reaching out. Mashallah, I receive a lot of call from them ni be diamu tale kili. Abarka bag. Thank you so much Modu. Alma komo be kala kairoti na dua bali suta tili is very sad, but I think Gambian will solve them maybe sila fana. Yeah, lesson will kara nyinkusi fala kono. This is a lesson for us. This is a lesson. So na brother do suro jane kafe meko Amadou Toure. Adama Toure is asking who is Pa Modu. Mbal dani latin be audience sol to jang. Do not allow yourself to be distracted. Do not allow yourself to be distracted. Amadou Toure, if you want to know who is Pa Modu, just go to Google and Google Pa Modu Bojang. You will know his Pa Modu. Or go to Facebook and search Pa Modu Bojang. Then you will see all the news for yourself. We are not the right person to tell you who is Pa Modu. So thank you. I think I have answered your question. If you want to know who is Pa Modu Bojang, go to Google. Just type Pa Modu Bojang. Go to YouTube. Just type Pa Modu Bojang. Or go to Facebook and type Pa Modu Bojang. You will know who is Pa Modu. Nalo no ko na brother dobe membe call Kenjang. Call jama be dunka na nyola jang. Hello. Yes, hello.
Hello, no bro, dagare nyadi.
Mbe andro jumale mu.
Ndala ke call, Adama Toure la ke call.
Okay, Adama be nyadi. Alhamdulillah, you calling from where?
I'm calling from
Okay, ebe live on UDP TV and media. Now look at the program on you follow kan.
Yeah, I'm a program of follow kan and the program on you fanang ajara nyabu nyata mafana.
Abaraka bagi.
Okay, comme la fa dame mu follow wala mu ndiko comme like be diam kan abadi government da kan nyame ya fam.
Ha.
Ndesi men fono gambe no le wala mu ndiko nga respect ko so ya fam ni ko respect ko wala mu ndiko mo la nyanto moment nga nyola nyanto di nyola ya fam.
Okay.
But sa ni mo nyola nyanto di nyola sa iti am the respect ko mbo so nyola nyadile because ni de lafta mansa kunda e kuke ito funa nyanda kama mansa kunda kanyala ma me ya lon ka fuko mansa kunda ba de la ko yesim pala wulendi la ma fana wala tin la ko de fana be de maro so la pour ka ka banku don bar nim banku don ma respect ko di mansa kunda la ibe fundle be kuma kan fula mansa ko men ya lon ka fuko wolle be marlem banku le be kuma kan fundende kay ba fuko ya mo do sa han mansa kunda e te pata ko na be de mano la ba comme like la feke on ñinen karo la natin ye.
Okay, thank you so much. Ye ñinin karo mem fo janga ñinin karo kumata anu mbe jabila a nyama ni ala sonta mbe kuma kilim fo la ja ye ikonna nyanto di nyola na bunya di nyola.
Yeah.
Bunya ni nyanto ñinga aka anne bang dani mo ba disable fa bu ka andani mo ba disable.
Aka andale.
Aka anne dani mo ba disable.
Ni man sa de tambila nyame ya.
Thank you. So namasa kunda ni man bunya an ebe bunya solo no nyaadi ni mbadon kana ye question nyinin ka bilbe question nyinin kala ne la moy la so fonni jabe andi be la moy la ni hakilo la.
Okay.
Ni mun gambe dingoti e mun muslima dingoti yelo ka boli jaato kono. With due respect to you, ye question men follow nyinin ka ja manyina nyin question nyinin kala because first of all namasa kunda dani ñini be kam fale be fintila e be diamola wala be diamola be diamu nya fale man manyana men fala masa kunda mi ko bi wala man diete masa kunda nyante menkela imoleke masa kunda men wajibu yetema imoleke because follow tokile programme o soto ani gambe masa kunda tema ye kododi gambe masa kunda e koyko alle gambe dingol men yalon ko courant kal le kan ani courant ta jarala no je ani bulol me kobe ali samana na bankol kan ni nada ndal bele paso jola pulena ni nada fana medical bill so ndal bata kala bali ni nada jele taradula atale enta marlema yo kodota ya pagaje be di gambe masa kunda kanana gambe dingol sika ike nene ke samba toki ni fitara toki dron ye abandonje ye kodi yeta ni banku dingol kumbota kodola karole e koy kodola mansoro ñini bota Gambia bilin December de 23 mbe mina kono say me kar woro njawon ka dungol kono tem kar woro njawon ita adama ni me sindi toki bi ifan dundi ñina sudu wesno kono bi ku rabe laari kam ye samba toki ibe laari toki ite fanje hotel mi alon ko temol contact imal ye fanje hotel kono nyama andu yalla ko ñu hotel mi alon ko ye fanje masa kundale sambaji wo masa kundani hotel tiole agreement o menke ni malom fana bala yente kumpala sa hotel tiole ne koy finti banta biko sama hotel o jo e man boru sama soto e ke mi le be la dame e ke mi rek men do madabe ni dara foy pousse système mi na fola okay adama alna la fi ñola na ñoo buña na la fin fana ala la finna mbadu bang bala fa masa kunda nata ko ifalbe masa kunda kono wala adama balo mi famalti wala you have a family member in masa kunda ni ngambe masa kunda be lori ngambe dingole itani ala talla tema yalonne idama bitela kabulo kono ni ngambe masa kunda be sirine bi amantara gambe no de maka itani masa talla tema yalonne idama bitela kabulo kono but at the end of the day alna bala fam fay pour ala bala fanye alna la fim fanna ala la finna folo mbadu na please mbebula le diamo nim para do mbafle mpareta folo inata nyame pour ka foko na masa kunda bunya ni masa kunda men ka masa kunda de menyanta bunya la ima deserve ni masa kunda men ka masa kunda de menyana ko mo nyanta diamo le kam with respect ima deserve bil president ko lo ka gambe dingol nang ibe mintole did you ever condemn that bil Dr. Aissatou Touré lo ta kurun ko dra ko men be diaspora ka kamo ko leke did you expect such from the vice president of the country yamina foto bele masa kunda lo ta ko funding ke ol nyanta tala man bodo le sikala Aissatou Touré duma hena university ta be sitting in Boston yamina foto ita bala man fay you hate yourself as a Gambian you hate yourself as a human being imala fi fana ibe Italy banko men kantem bi mas Italy masa kunda be fon le dikela men ko bi ne be Gambia masa kunda ta soto la why be Italy say Gambia ite kontri na Gambia adama bi tasi Gambia iko ka sele finally ite kontri na je Italy duta nyawonya coronavirus duta je nyawonya abe mol fa kan je man say why man say because Gambia de kontri duladi and ite kontri na Gambia why because na masa kunda mantra moleje why because ni tara Gambia is a 5 hour man say ini ala tella tema ibe men soto kan Italy ya ni be Gambia ba soto la did you force yourself no won't harjodi it's a privilege yanta men soto la is harjodi it's a privilege yanta men soto la harjodi is a privilege yanta men soto la and it's something that you deserve. Okay, but can you retract the statement saying that ko nyanta masa kunda diamla masa kunda ka nyame yanta statement on retract la and the person ni sasa to be la in Turkey they you need to apologize to them you need to apologize to them.
Okay, so I left from Kenyan black because you
no that dani be nyinin kala question kilina dani be nyinin kala question Missy Mayakam. Dani be dana ibe nyinin kala Missy Mayakam hadama dingole muyti bin senyin telephone landi no jambi te fa can you please apologize to the victims maybe seen in Turkey for saying that ko diamata masa ko ndaka jamanya na diamulaka. Can you please apologize to them?
Amango come like will be sitting there wala diarani because as far as mum muslim molti no dunta ko wonda fana dunta ko
bali ko diamuta nyame manyina diamula wo nyama iko diamuta nyame ngole enta diamula masa ka nyame yolo fo
elamba ko nga diamo fo nyama aske no ten diam kan ya translate nyam to diam ka in general ya fam
okay go ahead mbela mwikan
in general ya fam because hanna da UDP le be sirin bi man sakunda dambe joni be men pala bo pala because ya jamme le kelo kene janne o man fo mo mon ko ma jangam ta banku jon dam male ni ya jamme be kelo fo ya jamme man ka banku jon
sa ni banku dum kurmo mudu banku dum jawo mudu
okay sai baro ya jami bodo je wado men jumala na kasi so baro man si baro bodo min tole ngam baro bodo na UDP la am nga comme like men be token de diam ko wala la ma
okay sai baro bodo UDP le baro bodo UDP le baro nata ay UDP jam fa gambe no jam fa manyina tonya fly ba because about UDP le manyina diam
because no am nga comme like UDP jam fa comme political because gambe political be nya maintain mi mari man hakilo tamandi je rek mari be la mistake wala kono gambe political be nya men sa gambe political ati nyata la ya fam
gambe political man tinya gambe no le tinyata gambe political man tinya na gambe di njawol le soro gambe political man tinya na gambe di wol le soro men yalon ko imala fi fana ani mala fi gambe ta nyato adama and then for your information mbadiba yalo harima dingo memba sondo mo kono fa bondi harima dingo menti fa tandi isondo mo memba kono ya bondi when you ask a question ko jimalam pa modu bojanti ni to ko dem pa modu bojalo wala minana na pa modu bojanti to fo waye dimi waya tandi mo lete mo sifa menti non ilama ba waya tandi mo lala ko nakuma kililo mbadiba we do respect the chance dile jam pulie diamu kana jam kamol ni torani after ni be torandi already kana kamol kamfandi already mo be kamfandi and kamol nyaawadi because mo be dimo ko the likes of you adama ibe fala Italy le trust me ite be fala Italy le ite sela Gambia fulanjamo ite be tala Italy le ka Gambia no nyaawal melan ko be bata ko yes for your telephone landi there's no doubt about it bari ñon Gambia dum kurngol wala ba sabula we as Gambians and we as Africans mbetala tenne fo dunia do bana kukililonde Italy alon wayta Italy ni be sidin Gambia be kudole mirala no yes you have every right to support President Barrow and the NPP you have every right not about 1 minute to be wherever you want to be but inyo Gambia jawol wala Gambia din jawol wala asabu mbe suffer for the rest of our life but one thing be chale na kotenge ila baga solo pake bo Italy se Gambia ni se ta Gambia be la kutto sikala kolol do ko la wata bayla muk and you will never go to Gambia because why ika adama baro men support nyawanya yano ko wo mansa kundate je membe kudi le tele men solo kan Italy ika adama baro men support wonte adama baro ti wala wonte president membe kudi le tele bi kan solo Italy banko kon. But unfortunately, we still have Gambians like Adama Toure in the living. We still have human beings. Men come to call Adama Toure. Ansu, I didn't drop him. He dropped the phone. Yeah, he dropped the phone. But Mbadi, Jumalemu?
Yes, Sana Inimbara, Mustafa Sanyang.
Mustafa Sanyang, Abaraka Bake, Ebe Lively.
Yeah, I'm very content about the good job you are doing, you know.
Abaraka Bake, thank you.
Yeah, but this is it Adama Toure, you know, Sanaula Muti, but the Gambia Bela Kamfandi, you know.
I Gambia Bemalundi.
Ya Gambia Bemalundi boy, Tamola feeling soda boy, Tamola feeling soda another boy, ni corona min for vacating boy, lockdown okay boy, muldo how boy, how do you feel boy? In fact, so go tell me after min by some of them boy, mini aloko boy, ni payment soda boy, ka beki home boy, back home straight away boy. World boy, model be a contact la pure kodoki. You can't have kodo funky mo ibuka sotono. So when you mini aloko about Turkey, you can count how many Gambians are there. Majority of them, they are going to school. They are doing their list.
Yeah.
We be assistant center for almost student loyalty. And I'm more feeling for us no boy. Musoko anang able to think boy, pray kara boy. Iba di am kay ka mo nya na government bunya. O government ne boy mo lo minu bunya la boy. What government ne boy? But all government na bunya la.
Yeah, it's unfortunate we still have people like Adama living within us. Animal lebesiring and roommate lebabul. It's unfortunate that we have. I believe this is Adama ni manina ni melo ni call kenung walunga bili jara enyo lebe salibola na platform okang abekala de mo killing waldi. But again, aba niyo sotola ni alasonta. Aba niyo sotola.
Min ba toki pa modu contact you know kumbara program le mo kaka 2 weeks holiday la na boy ya contact you know ba underground so asadi do Adama la please Gambia, in some of 95% of Beki la mo radio la. I understand it.
Yeah.
Because I don't let you platform all them. Minuka audio from also you know you can count them. You know
so la dina sana na record rek ala fo alla mi mole ko ka sia whatsapp group ko na pour mo kala mo bi topic ko min fo over important the more to talk ba fa
yeah, I have a lot of topics to discuss today. I have a lot of audios to play, but not be cancelled to concentrate on this particular topic because it's a topic that me along it worth discussing. Yeah.
Ani kunu mi fane mi is it kunu fo kunu ko mi fane gol kay no min ko ya bulaje fatara UK government brother UK government ba Africa.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Don't know more mutani nge kina abroad ke abandon je for what reason? Biiten di kanyi moto tal sabani moto tal sabu min for pick up you know 1 point something million abasana wala a brand new pick up ni bo sodola.
Yeah.
So ntol ñim government man tol sula ntol mo respect la pour mu ntol le ñim government sindi ni ko Gambia ka folo ko Gambia dingol len tol ati nak ibaje ntol le carte faye sana tol le carte faye baro man tol buña ay sa touré nata en do ya jang am na san ntol ata ntol bakama ko la ni covid min yalon ko amba ko ten still ni Gambia diaspora te fonna government da mala ani na mo kendol min yalon ko ba ko dingol be fala ntela Mustafa sa nyambora kiyan kene bara mi no adama touré mbala play ya ko manna no ba mbe safela no mbe comment kala je yan kol nsana wala mu ni ko bimba kuma jaw bala fole man you mo sok back no mo la mo dara abroad boy pour kada jaro lo government ni frige amol samale docteur mbe commandela ni bu ka ni moy kiyan jalin kol kiyan kena bankol nale amod la contact number sur ala call ala fay ko na mol de gana ibe tokki ibe faka nje konko be faka ibe kurandi understand nyanda ka jaralo ke man jaralo bu ka boro sanno boy boy sol mini ala ko dul ka ta du kola wol ni karo ko da 800 ko no tokki mon ya understand don ma ko no pour ko boro san isa sodo isa la fika ke ta ke no la.
Yeah.
Understand? So government atul bo motol minister ka nyin covid kono ala ko don min bes pena man dum covid kono ala alo do man ni wota ali akina mole kana fa toki.
Yeah, abarakat. Thank you.
No,
thank you. Abarakat Mr. Sanya. The funny thing is that mbadi Gambian ko alkana kamfa special at audience dunia dawo dal taraje ni mo sifal ka taraje. Yes, Gambian nani mo sifal taraje. It's not only Adama Toure. It's yadale. Many alko right now they will kill for President Barrow. As long as it will come wale badi will come ni masa kunda kono. They will call us names, they will attack us, they will go after our personal lives as long as it will come ni masa kunda kono. But many be diaspora nintre sulata fenela ni masa kunda kono ali yalone. Nimbe sulala fenela in the previous government ali yalone. Yes. Nda sana jajude mamodo londe. Nda diamala ala ko majam. But inshallah mba fala jande. UDP masa kunda ani wala sita. Asita. Akata all UDP masa kundari from the top to the down ani watchman ya Mansur alaje but alman be fitande la wama drop balona but it's rather unfortunate mbenyin go for me yella ten. I'm calling on the minister Samate to contribute towards that go for me molla kodo ment itamu ment ni ma dila no but laftale ala sarali to ay fembondije and contribute towards the go for me. Amadou Dabo ibedo ko la masa kunda kono jele alenyi nanyu ko do men table al madi la no bal lafta la go for me men kana yele ale fem bonda la sare do ya donate je Bitey the director of health at the minister of health mbe fanan dal one more time Adama Barrow vice president Toure ale fem bondi ale ya donate towards the go for me kana nyi men create for these abandoned Gambians in Turkey because nalno ko kodo me alon ko yanta adile ale ko do tala ya domo. Maybe at a short run, we all know the fact. Minister Samate Bilabita in Turkey, ya Padia Modiala, ala hotel ala one sol. And Amela hotel order. I like them in Turkey now. Amaru, Bilibita in New Mall, Yellow Hotel Halawan Sol, the Leopard Diamol, it is a sitter sack fema monkey. And in Bilita de Mela hotel. Yella dam no for information or Wamana Kanya. Nina hotel kodol altata aliye nene because blabita alte sambalo no wandi molia alte sambalo no embassy ya ale sambalo hotel hotel ando ateli al no kale hotel contact from Gambia before we bola Gambia al no hotel contact sotole ali along how many people are coming sa altata aliye jundi hotel odo al seta al ko hotel tiolio ko they will be responsible for their own bills without itala knowledge itala molo nunje for bili birol nata o kole kala ni mol nyininka that's the time most of them know that's go italian ka hotel ol jo but in the Gambia they all know that ko ni nata toki masa kunda ticket or provide ye visa deal ani leptan bill ol yes is it Lamin Samote?
Yes. No, brother Sanande Esa.
Hey brother Esa. Inimbara, let's make it quickly. So maybe be 5 minutes dila every caller so that nadu nyung topic ko no juna na bam because we need to talk about Dr. Esa Toure Fana. Yeah. Go ahead, Esa. Thank you so much.
Exactly. Just mbe konto na bage no ebe ko kindo mena mbe biwa sol Fana konto na bage.
Abaraka.
Okay, albenin fen ko men na be programme la mo ka ko ñu bala fa wara batale so bari bo ñi men ko da ko la yalo these people nil mo moleti men yalo ko yep mo be banga yenne ade be siring Italy batale a bondi Gambia kanasi Italy so ade del friend be Italy ma Gambia ma sa kunda me sama mo me sama ina de fon la genen diro la because fo yale bay Gambia Italy men mu Gambia jonti masa kunda me na ibe complain ka je munakina Italy masa kunda ma social beneficiary ko do nyindila bodu masa kunda me tel bula una wala bari itenya be nyom banku duna masa kunda le anatindi pro kana meya kele ko yo men natindi je kana jalola wol bali ifali bari musolu ikoto mali wolle ka tax jo wo banko ka o banko la ko do wolle be masa bula manke masa la personal ko doti be den ta ko do menna so itenya be nyom banku dula patari o banko nyinkan instead itenim Gambia diwle te nyola ka wala ko ni kela right fight because abe ke kanyi la be sama skena ay kade badina mo matwa abe non te badina la skeno mo ko de badina le bari yaje sana ga mo funi sorry de bari tol mo funi ni na mun na problem ot bimbe ni fo kambi Gambe mo fiu safo ko mo fiu safo e bintu babo ko mo fiu jango back to your country nga kamfa bari imagine dam bawni nkara fonyoy mfalla banko kay mu jallu tawate mambo jaay te boda santol do mu ko fonyoy par men fond bo fo tete boda janne wol fond kata sirin tubabu be wandi banko ka bani tubabu tele wo banko nyin kan al bo jangale sayali ay sikamfa par ite limmel de banko kili sa fo wole ko al boda santol to wala al boda janne al murje al boda badi bu al murje par o ka kari ite men fond mo ay sirin vesle so ni ba jama le mo si falti ita be siri tuba boli you are enjoying every privilege me ya kinako iba man tax joje ifa man contribute ila banko la development but because of humanity ngin almadi yala bunya
exactly
bunya ngin kampala ite be every privilege enjoy ka woto bari ñong banko do be batari me ya kinako banko do men yo man sakunda sindi mansa kunda man diamu wole wo respect ko la kaje ko nyil balni falni ko dole ani fon wolle la sembo entel sindi bulato bari te ka fo banko doni wol nyanta diamu wol nyante diamu nyalo na government kan government ma wo diamu nyalo wo banko doni kan
yes
sana adama du dol beje mira ya min bela wallahi no mira ya siata Gambia don ko Gambia man tanya do follow
exactly
but anyway mbe bala ya continue fen ko la mbe plambele ke la programme la ma abaraka ba ka albe contribution o mena yino
abaraka thank you so much Esa ifana mbe men nyabala la abaraka alma ali jo ngani yo abaraka
amin
abaraka badi ngolu quickly na call sort of from someone in the Gambia nalsen hakado atambe Italy nani manota from the Gambia nani manota from the Gambia nalo ne membe alin so 1 second on there is someone here hello
yes Mr. Sena
yes Mr. Drame inimbara kotonande
tana ba fa de
I know
niyo kuyata ntabe selene fa high blood nda sodo
ala betara alman tankala wala betara
sanan nte kam mira le ko yale kan ñu foy la plateforme to la mol ke mira banko din jawri mol ke mira ko e ka kumol la fo ini dia kumol ko la fo bari meta kumol mun fala a felenti a findita bi kena ba ñing adama touré moy bang ateka mon fa da ada bang atama bal fa soto yale kan ñu fala ko ntal gameno dol bi jena mul yalla mam bal fa soto famu kamera yale ko fale bol ko dol kamera ko ke dunte kase dala to nya keso la mul yalla ko kano long pour mol yalla en tulo la be diminna mol na bar wolan to nya keso di sana ite mira ite jib ite mu balfa mun soto ite ni e be ñu go fo mi la tam ñu mun créer la pour na ñu banko dingol mul yalla de sering toki ini denta mulala ina lon na bang fi ni jele bang
mamolo
banko di yakang
mamolo mol ko je
ato ya pour banko thank you pour banko itanya ila banko di yakendo ka bala fa soto ye to go for me derade ye fatanya ato ko mulen sakuna bunya muskunda mi yali man na banko di bunya ngal mun ngana nambol joye ala fatu mu mesir italy ala fa muru na gambia anyom fanning ko mul yalo e banko dungol kon wala tata tamadula yaje banko bokol yari data inato bu ila wulu kra ila banko ga kila banko bandi kol yakon
no ni men bajala nyin fonga sila kolem bata dana ka fita italy and ni men bajala dana ka bo gambia kata italy ay masakunda nyin nenna ay masakunda against la ay mo be fo masakunda mal but because abadi will be government nko aliye momo jaka baro masakunda defense in this country in this world abadi ngol be masakunda ko memba domokan abadi ngol masakunda ko memba sunyankan abadi ngol be jemian ka be sutiarim pawala man borol be dunna tisarol be dunna tulgalo no be dunna period aliye momo jaka baro masakunda support bidin diaspora la fa gambia they just wanna eat from the government they wanna milk adama baro and then after tele conclude nafa ni masakunda do fana nata yesi ite bolo nyama futto e nyutak yes
ko ala fa ñing adama tour ko nata mu keoti ate nata man bal faso fa nata mu ay muru na banko kan ko covid-19 no kon ala fa ay muru na banko kan mo ko ya mun kon na fes gambe banko kan ko abadi muso ko adal diaspora ko alo kama ko wala diaspora ala fa ko adal lo kama ko wala fisiata alka gamenol balundu kama ko wala ko gamen ma fito kama
but Mr. Drame the funny thing is that yara fa fana ba kama ko wala nunja Atamandan kama ko da malade atabe do ko la hotelo mendo ako hotelo la darabol sunyane aka ki Gambia pour yak cubol ate kama ko kala adi senta may sunya rolke na information o sodo jane ba ko ka jara mi alongo ala ani men be do ko la no hotelo to ani men be je during that time from 2003 to 2004 so kama kulal ka nyon kama kulal
katu atol diaspora ko bi naaje gamenol nyaafirata atollo naaje bi gamenol ni covid-19 naaje gamenol mankumbo atollo katu naaje balu ke kambi balu bo sonare gambia atollo ni mal tonto yar jeywe kan mo kanal do yawo kan katu bi mbe falalen wala mi afuye gamenol nyanta tonto la because of atollo yake na bi gamenol ba balu ka katu na bas nanaka den jigita wala wal fele milbe bango pol jada ke naba ko yaro wal bul to milbe wula
exactly
milbe wula wal ke la no ndile
exactly
mas kuna mu yala am bala fasu ala mbiya am bala fasu ka jele ki lumul lebe sirin jambe banko ka so kay mul muta ye ci kay sama wul malo be ke la nyadi le ko bal fa warda ala fa ni adama touré ko ay gamenol bolo sey ay bolo sey de kar mo mande ñu ko mo ni ya dan dam dalal kada man bal fa tiyo so
exactly
bal fa hani kilin ta bala bal fa tiyo do ya hambo tala nati hamo so dafa dañu kuma sifa bondela da ko
yalla modo fanan be jal kaje tena drum ko bala no bala nya bala hakilo tala haklinte yak dol be dol feñolale because man ni ko meta ñi fere ko tamo fo dama mo karamoldi so yettama fanan Still, and the bank coming Italy. Italy doing everything for their government. And Kabi, government from Italy men can demonstrate. You can fit, but they can demonstrate. Government will be Italy doing Italy. You can demonstrate. Why Italians are demonstrating? Because they still feel like a menyanta deal like that. And Kabi, you can demonstrate. So obey mukulibayal dibab. Masakunda ni mandia miyenda kumodo fala. Ndala America jambi membe caring jambi ama mo kumpa dunia. Yama ni sida ye bulola nyoka mbebe na fala. And maybe this is going to be a lesson for America. Ni sifanya mnanka America. You made a more fungol fala le. You made a more fungol trimbayala le. But this one looks like it's going to be a great lesson for them. So madam policy ko be mo fungol fala be miral ko dengue twice.
The funniest thing when I definitely Gambia no do according to breaking news na mo nje Facebook. Gambia no do for nam fataje.
Mindo in America ja?
In America, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Abalafa wala billahi wala ta'ala. Yeah, something lamin. Maybe after the program on there follow.
Yeah, after Mafla because Bill Wulta drone dunta sonyin, so I didn't know anything yet. Membita around the world.
According to sources, police
yeah, because demonstration be kenu nak tinyaro de kenu blal nak so budung ngo demonstration be kenu alin tele siatu jam fang bila mo ya dari jana bilun kunun suto bada ya announce ko bi 3 pm downtown siatu bal bilun kunun ngularo 7 pm do ya commencer findita fo dani bellala but the major one em announce bi siatu jang avec le 3 pm so ntele jang right now is 12:17 pm so ma ko be kenu la detole yeah
nga dal ko man sa kunda ke no lati sa na najibe sa na banku do afata America na najibe mo na fana tamane
oh Gambeno is funny man. Gambeno is funny. Yesterday Gambians are all over Facebook condemning the brutality towards blacks in America, but Gambians all we are championing the brutality by our own police forces against the 3 years journal movement. Nyimem fata jan George Floyd the money ba nyongo so la yangs dabo could be another George Floyd for Gambia. Because pada nunca yang kuba dabo farang ambush nyum thanks to tip offs yeah balo time onu wakata nung dol ba fala UDP ko le deserve le pour yafa dol ba fala 3 years jotna membalem deserve le pour yafa harmadingo be harmading all black lives matters. It doesn't matter where you live in the world, but Gambians are championing and condemning the brutality against blacks in America, but they are condoning and embracing the police brutality against their own citizens in the Gambia. So this is the funny thing about us as Gambians. Well, we have a long way to go as a Gambia. And again, Gambia no member Gambia. I'm a mean come fish out till and I'm fish and go. Until be unuta Gambia. People like myself, menta Gambia, not dunia long. Not difference between the bad and the good. That be Tamala. I did all my schools and everything in the Gambia. I just been away for 20 years, that's it. But the thing is that watching everything. Right now, Gambia, they're watching CNN, they're watching BBC, maybe Gambia Bajeka, America Bajeka. So for Gambia, Gambia is the saddest nation on earth. Gambia is the most backward nation on earth. Gambia is the least developed country on earth. And Gambians are the only citizens of a country that can travel, that can do, that can jara in Mafutubabude, but just neighboring country. Alka Senegal alol jela min kana jaro la Gambia alka Mauritania kol jela Guinea Bissau Guinea Conakry min kana jaro la Gambia why Gambians are the only ones men can cross border pour kana jaro la Dakar
yala nafale janko alna wuli alna nyoma koy because barobo political ya meto fole na sana
yeah
imam yukay moto jella santan saba 1 million jellati sana
Moratan saba
sana na dimbal bu yalla nafu na ko dimbal bu bokan sana alnyanto ko kisi la sana
ya yo fujan
boto bako ko tan kam sana
yo fujan ya
sana unko ko nyun ko kaji ta nyame sacrifice nyun ko kono sana mo ba mi re nyun ko afoni tele but something that is mon nyande ko lola nyun ko kesolo baake na ko kisi baake na ko jibe baake
Mr. Jame yalo kacha sa madam did Gambians ask themselves Jane Commission Billy Yalo how many $1 million is spent at Jane Commission Kunto? More than $200 million. More than $200 million. Okay? Jane Commission yela report bondi. Yemol for men manyana do ko kala mansa kundato. Yemol for men nyanta kitindila. Yemol for men na kodal yenta sisla. They choose only one person out of the whole list. Baro mansa kunda mo klinda malak bondi out of the whole list. Wala Mamadou Sabali. Mamadou Sabali Gambia dingo. Gambia dingo. Say Jane Commission ye Tariq Musa kumandi non play na commission ta testify jara Tariq Musa ye bang abe sirin Dubai Tariq Musa jumale call wala jumale ki play ta testify on his behalf at Doma follow ay jare commission disrespect otore ay commissioner disrespect otore o man na kanya jare commission have banned Tariq Musa and TK Motors to do business in the Gambia and any other government to deal with Tariq Musa and TK Motors sa ye Gambia dingota ya konne Mamadou Sabali yeko Gambia dingo manyana do ko kala boy lunta mota Tariq Musa yo mundu na back inabe do ko wala o man na kanya ina diplomatic passport ska ya diala abe tamaka na diplomatic passport la Gambia tola abe business lo ke kan Gambia tola abe dunka terrorist organization lo kono abe terrorist organization lo sponsor la Gambia tola na diplomatic passport babul so baro masa kunda da male so wono ye Gambia dingo condemn ye Gambia dingo ban be lunta ngo nyinta ya selendi Gambia no ka right now be Tariq Musa Kalilu Wage of Futa Investment ani mul men kam to ko basi Abubakar Jawara ñol kisima Jawara ñol bi wo left men Gambia wol be kala tam su president
falmala na me Gambia foreigner la ba Gambia rule la ba.
So what is the difference between Mamadou Sabali and Alhaji Sise, the chief protocol officer? What is the difference between Mamadou Sabali and Amadou Samba? What is the difference between Mamadou Sabali and Maburi Njai? Oh, what is the difference between Mamadou Sabali and Intangara?
Okay. And funniest thing breaking news in the Gambia. All you know, empty lano member you know Barasoba. Yala no ko bi in all you know ko para animal trust anyola jele.
Oh, yo
bi somanda.
What area la yo
another land issue.
What area la yo dol
another land issue problem in the Gambia. Another land issue problem in the Gambia sana.
Okay. For your information, the funny thing is that part of all Unum and some part of all Unum has already been allocated to our National Assembly members. Na debito do lebeje baro kenyo kuntu wotola adila already. In fact, there is a UDP debito me alon ko bala ko kacala jana. There is a UDP debito me alon ko mate expelled from the UDP. Abi UDP la ankabi. He's on the payroll of President Barrow. It's high time for us to talk about this individual and it's high time for us to expose him. When the leadership of Kumandila Wala, let them not point fingers at us if we call this name here. And let them not blame us if we start to expose this guy here. There's a National Assembly member, UDP representative in the National Assembly. He's in Barrow's payroll. Baroba Jokam Kodola behind the scene, Baroka yellow envelope behind the scene, and he's dining and whining with President Barrow. But he pretends that he's with UDP, not UDP in Kolbanyoka. Mbato Falajani, there's no doubt about it. Yeah. So na debito
sana fala warata Gambia ntolo king billahi yalam afola mandia afo wal mandia to nya keso proka mandia ni afo ye muta mo koronti ye muta bango di jawoti. That's the fact sana hanya jama mun ya jemet billahi wallahi tallahi ama mun kala 5 years kono mbole jeka barola yi bolo ranyu fo years kono Gambia mun baro ba Gambia no le mun baro
yeah.
Yamuna ka barola fa Gambia no be nyimbi di savla bata be toro be balala no kan fa Gambia no le tel man nyanto so bang Gambia no ila nyanto mo munete sai ila bangu dia ay nafa munele sai bang Gambia bangoka ila bangu dia nafa lala ikila takso mun ni na mo ani la jotil ay nafa lala
yeah abaraka
ay nafa la san do ara
yes abaraka bake Mr. Drame yeah
tuji mumul be kontona ani ko ya warata ani mun nata na ay mo la platform dunda ko no ala ta mul be ni yoku yenila ay mon yoku ne la fa ka pare bar mbam mul dalena mun na anna sabarin na munya ni ala sonta ni be banna
inshallah
abaraka bake sa
abaraka bake. Thank you Mr. Drame. There's a lot of calls coming from Italy. Italy malongol be mamandina, but again there's a lot of calls coming from
yes
nakeba
bayro yum bala jama kama solo bayro be konto na bake be sharila
inimbara nakeba abarka thank you be life le
bayro folo be duale baba ke sima ba ani jada kendi ala ani e kata ko menna
abarka amin abarka
mbe duale bake ala mala da tribulo ay sombo ila sembo aya tribulo ali ala ni betan kay be sutra be so monta dunya ka dafna la
amin abaraka
bayro folo mbe bunda folo min mala wala mo fo Amadou Touré le mo
Adama Touré
Adama Touré folo mba fala nabe ila mo kon nabe jibal mba fala Adama te hakilo ma yirwa Adama ite botan nan Afrika inata nan jang inabe jamuli yala jamuli yabe yirwa kan nyano anin jamulu day and night ebi yirwa ko min sorake ila banko kam bibi dunia bibi tuwabo mira beyan na nyato talla amake hadama dintide na nyato ta what about banko kan ntel fan hamadin fan nin sasa special gambiano na sarata gambiano na sasa fulo aka fundi yalla do kan nyini ka makoy rodani buka kanya abuka na jaro ala banko ka ite Amadou mbediyam ka Amadou Adama fo ite tala ni namna dum kon kon jani watu men abe namna dum programme kono fo atlo tala programme me tudu toki ube bala fato ko min fokan fo mate juso toroba fo o ma ala nuita ka jamfandi ba as malo fo Gambia no fo luntano because in sifal jama ni kiskis fan e ka ken luntan te Gambia because no after katro be fan kalamale
yes mostly
so I don't be that ala kan kila kan nte 100% ni manke Gambian broad no
yeah
hana to Gambian din kurunum Gambian no ma melen ka fako ala tamo ma nafa adu fan anon bala pasoro anon adama din adu yuro mo trebo papa ko defana do sonno passé okay bayro na mo mel be sabatin toki ba fele ye hakato ye massa bari isa kata ye jam Gambia kibar kaytol bala folo do be abbaso min jilela
okay
anin fulanjang ambasi men bije ka ko kabru fu system fu kurando kabria contact ako atimalu wala situation bel dar wala nyama bala fa warta Gambia
billahi
ino abala fa warta mu fi ambassadeur alal hakilutu albasirin ni mu fi ni la bankol kan albasirin Gambia dinni e kan jo ko do ninna e kan jo ni Gambia din sifal la kule kam ni sasata ina ta banko kan atelle nyente kas every day na ba nyama nel ma moto mala waka futima al nyente ke telephone ne bari abala fa warta bayru alwaysly na embassy ni bakato kenye adu manyan kake bayru kake atama baro fanyande kan kota le ka monito embassy be dawda to wala na nimu wasati amobe ka ko ila marobe dankan anyande kadam banko dam man ko bari anyante katala fo banko ibanta ina de yimul lon ini temo bari ite fana inter special yimul soto nimbe kul monito ka kare ñol bije ko ka karal ko kare ñol bije ila do ko be nyadina ko so ngalo embassy mel be dunia be kono especially Gambian ding ambassy membe sir ila banko le bantala kilometre kataka amia because of you kula mero adimina warta e katel do ko do la because of Gambia din na ko katama because of Gambia din na ko kamala katel man lo wala sa atel no la jumale bayro sato ni mira ñu ko la akan ni toro ñamen kila fam billah walla tal aka fumale
anu amanga toki damade ni men ta filter drone ka fol ñineta garawta Gambians in South Africa the same thing be kerinje masakunda ka kodwe ki na South African molie e ka fe ko ala tala South Africa dingol Gambia dingol tema membe South Africa idra kam nek nak men be NPP wala men be baro e ko la contact right now Dubai, as we are speaking, the government of the United Arab Emirates have called on the Gambia government, Katan the Gambia dingol la men be Dubai, ni left to stay voluntarily, while left to tala ila Bangkok because of this COVID-19. Let them do so. But the embassy, guess what? You can audio let it drone, you can message your ki Gambia noli, ka fueko, kulunga fele ya provide, ni men left to tala Gambia, ila passport number, ila direct number. But the next thing, they will ask them money. And when the Dubai government have provided it for free of charge. Free of charge. But Remina Gambe Dingul Nene Al Kodo Kin, and this is why I'm being opportunity to tell Commando Gambe Dingul Bema member Syrian United Arab Emirates. Niya momo nyininka kodola. Iko yanta 1,000 dola, yanta 2,000 dola, yanta 3,000 dola Dubai kodo. Puliyeta ano Gambia. Alafo iko nyimanka tonyadi. It's a free and it's on a voluntary services.
Thank you, Byron.
Ibe nyininka la kodola le. No way. Oh, no doubt. Dubai dingol. For nime left ka jode because after tala Gambia. But Gambia don't be in Dubai. Ning the embassy in Dubai. Wala the ambassador in Dubai calls on any Gambian pulka fuka le kodo jo iko ye kulungola provider enta sambala Dubai le e Gambia lenta nyina jola to nyante alka kodo men jo habite la poso le kono. But the Dubai Masakunda, the government of the United Arab Emirates wole nyinke lillahi alay fisabilillahi pulka Gambia dingol mako anin imanyinka Gambia da mayaka Gambia dunia dinjamale in other countries. So mbenyim fala Gambia dingol men be Dubai dana be kodo jo ala investigation okay. Then I will go hand over to the embassy staffs in Dubai allow own investigation of the file column. This is going on around all our embassies in the Gambia. Come here for nyame embassy ya banku dingo leje bantala banku dingo embassy benya banku dingo le na banku kan kan kodol tay ka men fondi ne kan sada men kate ka domo. Ni be kere na embassy to. Yes.
Thank you so much, Byro. Anim fanan Byro yaje fanan ku kilimbije ntebe kumanda nay ambassador kundali sisil alanya.
Ha.
Sisil alanya. Adama dinna subo balu to haram wala dimbali bu janna fay bantak. Adu ngal especially hanu balo men fanan be sin Saudiya. Arabul ka ko balle ta ke diala ka ko ni leta ke samba adam baroye abike kan ala politique jambe boson ka
oh millions of dollars wala ka bo Saudi United Arab Emirates and in Qatar and through the ambassador in Saudi Arabia prior to Gambia. Usman Sow know a lot about that, and Ahmad Ba, the information minister, knows a lot about that. This is why they will be the last person barobe men malala Masakundagom. Yeah.
Imagine.
So ibe bunjang loka wala Dakar, ibe estate loka wala Dakar.
Jajale. Adu Byro be man la hansa Byro isi nyalu ngokul kan. Adu especially na pro do phénomène ambassade mebe na Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast fana ngame ko santum party do lembe yeba after no woning pabi ni mbanta yola ta ya muru ndige bari fele scientist bank fana yola ya bondige adu gambe din mel be sabati ndige wol be la fi nyum party la so Byro be dan ala kan kila kan Ivory Coast Côte d'Ivoire ngamira français cap de Côte d'Ivoire
Côte d'Ivoire
thank you yi nyalo je kan je fana pro be je mialon ka foko askeno je kube tama kanje miyalon ka foko ani silo manta so Byro isi nyal manka ya famya okay na point na nyam fana Byro lafta kam yita jang nanni suno miyalon ka foko Africa la mansakele ibe siring honestly buka komen ni nyuma sido ku balke katan nyuma sido ku bal katar ke kan dunia bari Africa la mansakele kimboka wuli ka komen ti ba bo melial ka foko e kater tajirin te yala mo finna ngala na ka foko America nyin kodo ke men fata ten police le men fate ngala ka foko mo koyol be man agree mo koyol jamande kampare apola because han blad min ko itale kala commission de ka foko men kedaten ko nyende kadam America la Putin yalo stimulo le ka foko nyin aman jiay ko min ko yalo ka foko akere 5 na America banko ka yo say Byro na tante jakal ya African mansal itelu black hole lete hanatra amanke finding kamala Byro ini moy den to nyala hanatra ake som milliono la ina den to nyala nano ala milliono nyin aya ino afilje ya famia kene so ni ngine kijang ika mo filmu da ke buda ke fa African mansal bebe siri be den tok fo mo clip banko clip sorry banko dantal wol mo central Kenya nyolu kata nane biya nyol ma fan wol funta ka chani so arrest
and I think the only African ambassador or an employee of an ambassador in Kafinti Kadiamo was Nigeria. Nigeria la diplomatic da mala findita ay Chinese la authority approach and then I end up making Chinese la fanya kela. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, nimbo do for Adama Barrow mba kumandla asi teria nyama asi funtinga ay lo tele ni media to kaida ka ko American be menna ya stop because of ibe mo fin right la mo fin na nyento ibul tinya kan mo fin fana be falam kilima yaka yalo bay Afrika mansali saba kan tilakan ye sabari ala kan tilakan ika funti ika diamu dunia ko manke kam ni mansati ila mansa ya daga Gambia tabban kon bal ila mansa ika Trump ñol ko mandi ngamena ya min Putin ñol ke ko mandi ngamena ka mo mansati ngamena ngalo ila symbole la wata ñodi bar na Adama Barrow ñol kata Macky Sall ñol mali la president won bem ni ko dunia mansal ni sima blakile foni ila symbole ni ani ila kato wata ñodi
exactly
ka mofia sante itele mofia so ngende ka lole tele ni medialto kada ka for this is not first time because of natra ni sifale kata Africa itele tubabu wala kalo ka ko membe ke kan Africa amanyinya so muna tinna American police koyolu e ko mo filmota e ke maltreat adu look bayro akoka ke balafati kan arabolia mo finne ka bute mo finne ka fa keni soleya mo finne ka bute mo finne ka fa amoya mo finne ka bute mo finne ka fa
exactly
malo fo ibka kibaro foba because of Mahmoud Tangara last time no iko ye Chinese solen ko italale e ko ha no new video merineti ni mo video merineti manke sign video say wo tilimo balia ko sifa jibeba
baraka
utajinti ya kusi wo fello balia ko sifa jibeba wala tinne ni be mo kala place to mo ke parmi an ka ay dunia lo ay historia lo
exactly baraka
ya famia because of Tangara ni be gambe dina ka ko atete ni wala mofia adam fa ate tonya fala ko yoy
exactly
ban tim Tangara blame Adama Barrow Senegal kanda Gambia banko kanne ka Gambia din bute ka Gambia din fa Adama Barrow buka hani kalmo sotono ka yita Gambia ka fu ko ni ayno amandiya ñebe amandiya sam so wala han Adama Barrow na ñoni mandiyamu comme tel diyamu lale comme ka hakili mayani ka hakilo bulandi ka ko man sala muyti yo droit soto yo right soto le ka diam dunya ka ko alkamen ke mo finna o man ke right to man to nya sabat no ala banko kan o be funtu no la nyaali la koyol kan ka la ka ko almi ke mo finna am ke right ntel million ka ko kantembul place tembul ko nyam ben dimindi adum always be no ifele kadi ka ko mo finna no e ka kone ke mo finna dunia dawdan to amanyan kake because of ninga ke ila ibe wulale yidia so comment dia telephone ye telephone ko ni natal nga konde ba ni be jumal le blem la wala mo Africa nyaton kolti Adama Barrow na no sifa ba itala fatialo na foni Gambia dinu wulta yela nyanto foye foni Gambia dinu wulta e ko hada banko matakuka isi nyati wol kan ye bute isi nyati wol kan uloya furngel ben na banko wol kan
exactly
abala pa warta abala pa warta bayo abala pa warta be ambassade commandila yelo na banko diniye be ambassade command dunia dawdani yelo Gambia diniye amanke kafoko ila lo Gambia diniye ala si do abara jola an fa ila lo baliya Gambia diniye ni fata kono ala si kitino because of ikini do kudo menna ya lomba imalomba mo bitin ya motin bari yomal kiamat ala be kitin because of ikini do bubu to menna o Gambia dinna taro o Gambia dinna hakko e kawla tika e kadina
yes abaraka ba thank you
bayro
abaraka
na fayno toki Adama Barrow please ya kata wala tinnan ko Adama Barrow anyande ka hakilo adu min Adama Barrow bara hala tar to nyata ko andar samate do adu yalo bayro def ko kel ko laja samate kawnu fulo samate finna kaw tapaliya ka ko molle be ministre kono Minister for Health Jaro Bunda ko kafako ye molle to ta yiri style ka kodota samate funda ko ita molbe funda samate mo kendo ta bo mo kin anide samate te bulu malla samate ko mo fu last time petro ko mo jumala ta yes te bayron iko samate do on the ground political atom baro abu kula mi on tan ngala kisin kula mi ka fa sotore so samate mo tan wala gambia dinye samate te tentu nga ka tay because ngalo ne samate samate de game menna gambia dinna bata do tokki banko ka samate lo because
Abaraka Bake, thank you so much.
Adam baro mal ka fa ko akko ya tan nyaw nya ya tan nyaw nya ni akata gambia din xana tokki de adu ibu connection jawto Abaraka samate bu ko fuyi Adam baro
yes Abaraka Bake nek
fante keno la kodo be bulle millions of comme des bodam fala gante yo million kafi woma hani dara so million fula ni ata ka change indi dollar to euro ya sambe wo be jarno fo sanji fula fo sanji sab
Abaraka
but muna tin samate mun tro kika wala tin samate amon jare ka tento adu samate mbayi talala mba ko indlama do ko ni ba samba kanyame mun tere nya fa so kamji amon jenni bi amon jenni sama because nyedi bi gambe dimbe batan tokki banko ka ala ni ite samate ko ye alquran taki iko jaro bunda iba sambala nyam ibo no gambe dingi sa na gambe din hala tokki banko ka ibe sufar
Abaraka Bake na keba kola ya Abaraka Bake kola dol be lafta kadun na no ko jiso be kandiri ba kola dol lafta kadun na nebula ya Abaraka
gambia no mile place o yidda di gol falim bak yidda di gol falim
Abaraka
ko ke gambia dinye
Yekumo be bande mashallah
ko ke gambia dinye
ya Abaraka thank you so much
dusar ala bu hanata dunya de mi do bari dusar ala bu unatu nay mun be haram do mu dro haram do mu dro
aba koyla inshallah aba koyla Abaraka nal no ya Abaraka Bake kumo nal no ko na tamena nal no ko jisobe kandi kan ba yekumo be fo ja bebe la ko alma ale jo ngani Abaraka Bake mba fo kola le ko mba kala nyabe sa alna ke 5 minutes like I said I know my own people are even calling Jara is calling and Alaji SM Jabari is calling alna ke 5 minutes but kola if you don't mind be kacha do la mala janda mandin dro na be ka kacha kilingoti many alonko I think I need to share this information here menketa Aissatou Touré la Koti the vice president yes akon tele Gambia no be diaspora most of us mbe kama ko la laje most of us we are doing odd jobs yes that's true but mala de kama ko abe mun kama ko si falale because Gambia le mo nak ka ko nyinta ka mulnja yandi because I know most of us, even in the health sectors here in the Seattle, Washington State, ikamuna for mole, almantara feneje for keba jugo, almantara feneje for mol senea. Ninga meno left a femo mulnya andila, aka mulnya di nyame. I work in the health sector in Seattle, and I'm working with people with disabilities and so on. And I know what it takes to work with those people. Follow, for ya jiso soto. Follow. You have to be someone with the passion that you want to be there for the needy people. It takes a heart. It takes a lot of heart. It takes a lot of patience. And it takes a lot of understanding to work with people with disabilities, to work with elderly people, and to make sure that you provided the necessary care for them. Adoko momo yaka nyama kodo de barkala katambe okodola adoko momo yaka nyama kodo de barkala katambe okodola but nim pada nyoto nyala wadam pada nyo doyala wadam pada ka nyo atan kamena fonye abe juku wala je wala be nyini laje. Just look at this coronavirus pandemic bila komaseta, the COVID-19 pandemic bila komaseta. We work 24/7 round the clock. I have seen my co-workers tested positive. I have seen my co-workers from other jobs tested positive. Any day that I'm stepping out of my house going to work, I might be going to be the next person. I've seen someone nabe siri naba kachala. The next day, he tested positive. He's a Kenyan. From Kenya. We have seen our co-workers, but we have seen our co-workers, someone tested positive there. I've seen patients from my own company dying from this virus. We've been thinking about it. We go to work. Maxo be able 24/7, Glovo be able 24/7. Ele telefono fa una bella posto con it able lo posto con pulire il telefono bondi. Right now, I'm assessing telecane by force. The moment you step out of your car, you must have a mask 24/7. You must have these gowns 24/7. We're doing this for the past 3 months. But you saw Fayasoto, the patient of Fayasoto, we could call out like any other ones. We could stay out of job like any other ones. But thank God, the encouragement, the bonuses, the gifts that we are receiving from these companies is giving us the courage to go further and to go extra mile. Gambino lebe siatu jamina anko right nebe do 7 days round the clock. Salo sita lang kanyo sabal lungo la pul ka holiday ta pul na time spent with our families. In fact, right now, most of us in the health sectors, nobody's allowed to go for a vacation. Nobody will apply for a vacation. In fact, if you apply for a vacation, you can reject it. They have made it categorically clear that no vacation will be approved as long as you are working at the health sector. So, yes, we have to have this PPE with us every minute. Thank you, Sister Jara. Global Monsodono, Maxwell Bantaran, they have to create their own masks for us to wear. Maxwell, you are not comfortable with it. You don't have a choice. You have to wear it. But we have a vice president. Membelo Gambia, Adaye Kafumoleko, Mantara Fenna diaspora for Kamakolo. Of course, I come fatally, many are come finding because we are exposing them. I come for the many I come for because we are exposing their corrupt practices to be men keka. Ebe sunya rol men keka mbole keka. Ebe bado le korol be sunya mbole foka. Of course, ebe come for any ministers within the Barrow Masakunda, vice president, president from anytime in Diamuda, ebe come for diaspora count because diaspora count are on top of these issues. We are on top of issues. We are sensitizing our fellows in the ground there. We are talking to our fellow citizens about how things should go, how things should be, how government should work, and what it means to have a better government, how it means to have a government for the people. So this is why diaspora cannot come far. But I'll not tit for tat, ni me ya for man ni jabi. Oh, because Dr. Aïssa Touré na bonyol, ya affixé le $12 million so men sunya, mbola kachaka. About $10 million me alko World Bank ya di Gambia for COVID-19 yemen sunya nje mbola kachaka. Oh, the $500 million me alko European Union di Bank Gambia yol men sunya mbola foka. Well, I be confiding right now. Iko man was on $700 million. Is a man man distribute Gambia bacon. Gambia be man receive. Thanks to Babala Buntung no de Congo be Gambia no fala. Thanks to Esas Fal na la mol no de Congo be Gambia no fala. In Nkol men kacha wole asa be confiding. You never mole abe funny lal fele. I left my house Thursday afternoon 2 p.m. Monday na bunkon for Friday night 11 p.m. From one job to another, round the clock. Because why? Overtime holes. More BJ many go they call out. More BJ will be quarantine. It's special. We have to fill the gaps for them. Before the mama do call about Fidana Washington stage. So, Dr. Aïssa Touré, any information also from someone who told me that, "Hi Sana, good evening from my end. I just want to tell you a little bit about Dr. Touré and her statement about Gambians in the diaspora. Dr. Touré one time worked as a chambermaid at a hotel in Brighton, UK from 2003 to 2004. What does chambermaid means? Alta Google Sansalia Google. What is chambermaid? CHAMBER MAID. What is chambermaid? Someone who works in a hotel. Nebe do ko la hotel o de ka muneke ye, e ka lara ngol le fene, e ka lara ngol le dida, ka jonko ngol ku, ka darabol ku. This is the same Dr. Aissatou Touré Mialanko is referring to as Konkakamoloku. She was doing the same thing in Britain, UK, from 2003 to 2004. She's been cleaning toilets and making beds. Akonya also, she has been stealing bed sheets from the hotel, sending it to Gambia to do tie and dye, commonly known as chup. Akonya, I think she's trying to tell the world that she used to work as she was doing. But she's telling Gambians that she's a doctor. Abe local hotel ni ka faye Premier Lodge. Atamembe UK, Britain. Ale hotel na make a Premier Lodge. Alala on investigation okay, Premier Lodge. There used to be a Gambian called Dr. Aissatou Touré, made work from 2003 to 2004. And she was hired as a chambermaid. And what is chambermaid? Cleaning the rooms, making the beds, cleaning the toilets. But she has a son who lives in Boston, USA, studying medication or medicine, married to the daughter of our former vice president, one of our former vice presidents. This Dr. Aissatou Touré have a daughter who is now a lesbian. But who cares? And we will not go to that personal level. Hey, but in Gambia dole dingo mo nyin lesbian or thing. From this Dr. Aissatou Touré. And we know that her husband is going through hell. We do respect to the husband because of her arrogance. So, but it's unfortunate that we have leaders leading the country and occupying the two most important positions, the presidency and the vice president. Idi amota wato wadi mina kaboitol da kabula gambeno la keneng ka gambeno kumani tola. But again, Dr. Aissatou Touré anyinata kola la president fana benu UK le as an immigrant. Ale president benu UK le as a hustler. Maybe baro fana kamo kule. Or maybe baro fana kamo kuakele. But we have leaders who want to be the president and the vice president, but they don't want to take the responsibility as the president and the vice president. Unfortunately, this is what we have in the Gambia. But all of the kaka president oti katembe sanji lulola, kaka president oti sanji tang, kaka president oti sanji tang lul, but he don't want to take the responsibility as the president. Men require president mama. The same thing applies to the vice president. But as far as we are concerned, we are Gambians, and we will continue to be Gambians. But we, the Gambians in the diaspora, will continue to be on top of things. And we will continue to engage our fellow citizens on the ground. We will continue to talk to them about issues. And we will continue to tell them what it means to be a developed country. And what it means to have a proper government in place. Because we feel it. We live in it. And we know who feels it knows how it feels. Alhamdulillah, Mamfisa Gambeno to run another job. But Alia Harjo didn't tell another job. Memensura can bantala bankolto or kayantale. This is why some of us will never go back to Gambia. Yes, I've seen Gambians that are saying that, oh, it's time for us to pack our stuffs and move back to Gambia because they're more female fa kanjane. Ika more female fa ja nyawonya wale fisara na muruna bankolka. Alna tonya fonyoy. Alna titaro ni diamu kensa mabula. More female be fa kanja nyawonya. E me respect kanja nyawonya. But we as Gambians in America, we as Gambians in Norway, Sweden, Italy, France, Spain, mbe mention ka bankolka ni muta na bankolka nsa kodomo. Nsa bankol domo. Nsa futu jarol domo. There's no doubt about that. I would rather continue to live in America, enjoy the privileges and benefits that is accorded to me by the government of America than Katana Bangkok and Mian Consulate America. Hey, yes, Gambia will be diaspora many alongo. The struggle will be easy to pull up. So they would rather go to Gambia and in Gambia will saba plus in Ningola Mentutaje. So this is why the likes of Adama Touré in Italy will continue to live in a dream world and will continue to live as an ignorant person for the Alaba Demala. So Mbaldan la mena dalna duai Adama Touré for Rasabo le nyim filo ko. Why masla bi mo wara do in Gambia. Ibadi mo place wala sabu masakunda manya na mala. Oh, ita fa mal be masakunda kono masakunda manya na mala. o men ba sunya kai ba di ke tara wala masakunda manyana mala gambe no le mine kejang isafa men ko yemon fanda masakunda manyana fola. After we all know what we went through in the hands of that monster called Yaya Jammeh. After we all know what we went through. Oh, Yaya Jammeh mun gambe no. Yes, balin gambe dun kurumudu. Ay gambe no fa gambe no montora. Yaya Jammeh bila coup d'etat gambe jelle ma support. Funding ke jelle ma support. Funding kol be ko at last after 30 years of Jawara Masakunda, after 30 years Kebalbe Maraka, sana dindingol sono. This is why most of the youth supported the junta at that time. This is why most of the youth voted for the junta at that time. O funding ke kilingol, o karan na kilingol, wala mana gambe mantora. Bal Kebal dol ya folde. Ikombe sojar Masakunda celebrate ka. Bal malo minam sojar Masakunda. And Yaya Jammeh have vindicated those elders. Oh, after 22 years of dictatorship, hardship, not together as one Gambia, one nation, one people, na Masakunda Sindi. It doesn't matter for UDP le adi mola. It doesn't matter for party dole adi mola. But at the end of the day, Gambians are not together. But asababo kata kulati. Asababo jata dulatula. Mbo kredi ko talala, mbo kredi ko dila mola nyanta dila mena. Adiate me akwate me. Thanks to Solo Sunday and thanks to the leadership of the United Democratic Party. UDP le budeta, UDP le badara, UDP le mantora party dol bet. Yes, ni 100% de kato fay baroye. 85% of the voters that voted for the coalition 2016 candidate Adama Barrow UDP dingole. The remaining 15% walam Gambia din kendo dol ti men yango ilafta jela Barrow ya Jammeh bondi Gambia. This is the fact. Adiate me akwete me. Oh yes, UDP mo len jox Barrow. Gache jalama UDP mo tombo fa kanyata fa Yaya Jammeh bondi. Bala lo mani blem bla choose kaka jamfan tumoti. Ala choose bla ala blem bla choose. Akita hasido da kata mo jawoti. Apata ka Gambia nimisandi. In fact ay nimisandi ay dictator si yap samana. Oh, for UDP ko Adama Barrow ko Yaya Jammeh mo ko ta recycle. Oh, for UDP ko Adama Barrow ko jane commission report ta ya bondi ya fay nyamo kono. Oh, for UDP ko Adama Barrow ko say draft constitution nyinta ya sponsor ni na de yele report ta ya deny. After spending $116 million on the draft constitution, Barrow fell biya kamal la fala akala fam la 1997 constitution because o loi kurungol membe o 1997 constitution kono mansa kurungo me o dundije o mansa kurungo daji ko nata daji ko mun kilingodi o mola batol kono and we me o mansa kurungo febo wala fanata fanan febo. But at the end of the day, at the city tele fa banta anin jante 1997 constitution ma febo and the draft constitution fana ma febo sa mala bita sula jamal. But ka believe in ni la ikanyina kacha mbadi Gambia ko dal haklo baka audio do finditanu mi ala ko Seku Barrow be diamo kanunje Barrow business partner iko ka plan men city dabo ka wala mindiko he was an ex-convict so ba kiti ndila ni election mi na sudi ala ba samala kiti wala ya soro atata election kala mutala is the same thing Yaya Jammeh ka men fonyu is the same thing Yaya Jammeh ka men denkililanu dabo te kala president to jam nyaaje be kala president fa be balurine because he thought that they will die in mile 2 ala mala men fa mo bo farano. So right now, and now they have made Adama Barrow to believe that we will go for the 1997 constitution. But hey, 1997 constitution, Dabo is an ex-convict. Iba kitindilale, ya soro. Because Dabo is the obstacle. Dabo is their problem. But Obatarla, memang lualo. Obatarla, Gambia no be sonna wala. Orambe Gambia dole mira meni Gambia mankili. So Dr. Aïssatou Touré na Bonyol, let us not be surprised. Let's be patient. Ankana Kamfa, they will continue to talk like this. Because we, the Gambian diasporans, will continue to talk, we will continue to expose them, and we will continue to be on top of the game, and we will make sure that we sensitize and communicate with our fellows on the ground, because Batabe Bela didn't tell the and because he can't tell the wali. Amanka Fantandi Fonkoti. But we know the number of calls that we receive. Being on the platform, they thought that we are rich. Being on the platform, they thought that we make millions. But alhamdulillah, alka jiko dadisa. So Kamala, many opportunity tala ka diamu moli wala ka message odo rida leja mi alon ko wala bota from Serif Kijera Who is Sirif Kijera? Sirif Kijera is the chairman of the Gambia Center for Victims of Human Rights Violation. Sirif Kijera is Minefo. According to Sirif Kijera, the chairman of the Gambia Center for Victims of Human Rights Violation, even after 3 years since the end of the Jammeh dictatorship, the Gambia's reform programs continue to be hijacked by the former president's enablers who continue to hold key public institutions. Gimalem former ya Jammeh enablers wala baroka men recycle sa kedum the system okon. The junglers, former cabinet ministers. I think the government should do more to address such issues. This government will never do that. Institutional reforms haven't been quite meteoritic as it is supposed to be because our country is being hijacked by these people who have a lot of influence in the government. Mr. Kijera went on to denounce the frequent recycling of many who work directly under Jammeh, either in his cabinet and in other public institutions, saying this action by the president is a mockery of the 2016 revolution, which is causing distress to victims of Jammeh. It is about time that these issues are addressed. It is embracing to be recycling Jammeh enablers, but I think the fact remains that the government is not steering the affairs of this country as it is supposed to be. Mr. Kijera further noted that corruption is also an issue that needs to be looked into and addressed by the government. I don't know what is the obsession why Adama Barrow is so upset with such enablers. Why Adama Barrow is so upset with APRC and members of the APRC? Why Adama Barrow is so upset with the members of the APRC and the former enablers of Yahya Jammeh? Or because he thought that this is the only way for him to win the election. He thought that this is the only way to have the supporters of APRC because Yahya Jammeh wotinya. This is why Gambia will be sitting Gambia come to Yahya Jammeh mararo Kalfan Siland and Kabi come to Yahya Jammeh mararo. Yahya Jammeh's era is finished. It's finished and it's forever. Ndesan kuno na UDP nka dolje. Abi APRC nko dori man ka nyini nka ka fay ko. Itala ko nko Yahya Jammeh mina Gambia January by 2020. Alka boye social media le ika fay bas sonko. Aba rantla what or what. Yahya Jammeh will come to Gambia inshallah. Screenshot this. Say ya screenshot ya nyini nka. Atlo ko Yahya Jammeh mina Gambia by 2020. Because why? Ida mal ko la kacha. Because why? Baroke believe in the wall. Because why? Rambo Jata ni Fabaga Tambo Jata ko le foy when they are dining and whining with Barrow. So once again, Badi in Gambia Nkuru, we have to come together one more time as one Gambia, one nation, one people, and take care of this nonsense, maybe in Bangkok, and put a stop to it once and for all. If not, we will continue to be the saddest nation on planet Earth. If not, we will continue to be the most underdeveloped country on planet Earth. And if not, Gambia will continue to be the saddest souls as far as human life is concerned. But again, lo ada about sabarla ata wasala damante amaje Gambians are liberated. Ata sabarla ata wasala damante amaje na senala le tiol ka sang amaje mol kata le tanol de ke jara. Ata sabarla ata wasala damante amaje Gambians stop crossing the border to Senegal seeking medical treatment. And lo ada once again ata wasala ata sabarla damanta amaje Gambia is free of corruption, injustice and nepotism. Lo ada bota wasala de ata sabarla damanta amaje these fans clubs, youth movements all, yeye groups all, 419 scams all, just stop to be operating in the Gambia. And lo ada bota wasala ata sabarla damanta nyim fankum mon stop Gambia. What the UDP call one more time, let's come together as one big family. Now make sure that we have a better Gambia for all Gambians. And it's only UDP men I know. Yes, I'm a UDPian. Mbolo fala to nyalem. But najele. Wala fala mbena leadership on yon. So Kamala, many along ko be call ke kambaye itraila ba na mensoro is less than 20 minutes to go. The 5 minutes dila momola. Men left on nyen topical kono quickly as soon as possible. Like I always said, ka program o plan nyame mostly nanata drong kata killing ka abe dominate le. I know I have a lot of audios audio from Ibrahim Asane, Nyancho. We have audios from Lanke in Finland. We have audios from Keba Kinte and others, Nyantamen Kachara and Momodu Sabali and others. But mbe kacha nyinda na jane na audience will bola many a call can jam from Besola back on the line. Ka 5 minutes di momo la drop. Il after men kachala nyin topic ko ya kachaje. Najel na broda Modu membe Toki after du nanda ko denga control de bun nyin kachato. Now he want to respond to Adama Toure. Yes, but again, like I said, immediately after this program, they go for me yelale in the name of these victims. Many alanko lebe Toki. Pulne dema lilai warasura adimitale. Abe kolya den telbebulu from our end. Hajol be siari mboda salo kono. Hey, but na fellow Gambian soul, mbadi Muslimol, nyong hadima dingol, wole come find ma, ikoni ma ko nyunde be fale fa wato sila. They're going through hell. Yeah, ila situation odo be enta be falono because fanela hadima di ya fanam bunya damandi, fane sutura damandi. But come like GoFundMe le anyininka, you cannot open a GoFundMe account among regional bondi. This is why one of the ladies, Khadijatu Tarawale, was sacrificed ala natalo fintini and ala medical record me alon kombakira di GoFundMe nyinto pour mo sala be keri. It's a very sad picture momo yaje anikwa wana but we have no other choice. So it's unfortunate that fam ntelal noko ni mota ni fulo be ntelal amra wadamale be but there's another group ya fam. So these are the people that we have in Tokyo right now. Khadijatu Tarawale is a patient. Fatumata Tarawale bejele, Kadi Sanya beje. Sidia Sane is a patient. Our Chan bejele, Sira Kaba bejele, Aisatu Kamara bejele, our Sise bejele, Jenaba Kamara, Modu Sise, Modu Jalo, and Abdullah, and Abubakar Jao. Nimota Nimfulole Ankara right now, they are definitely suffering, and our government have decided to abandon them. And the last message that they got from Amadou Dabo, wala minto ko anime yila kodoma kodotinya. Odambadi ngambe call one more time, bal dani lillahi alay. Mbenyi GoFundMe men create la ten, ale donate je, na nyimol makoy. It's just gonna be a period of 30 days. Na nyam mako rofta na moma as soon as possible. So ale hakatu once again, mbe message yol kila la messenger tole, mbe link ko nyin kila WhatsApp group call, I'll be bombarding you guys with the GoFundMe link plan na donation on nyin keje. Al sa hakatu wala if I nina mena private inbox on ma mena mala but den wala mu dikole mu and dan ro fitara so we have no other choice but to help our own fellow Gambians be wala mena jon alma be tankala ni situation sifara anu alma mkana mfanja kono because men ba kono bi wala ala what they going through. Yes nake ba hakatu ibe life le.
Hello sala inimbara
barka bake
programo nyinga akumaya tabake.
Thank you.
Bala fa walata mbadin gambenol fal do kole yakono. Nying nyontu mo mi alon ko dunya fa wala alhado le falenta. Ni man kontan ji man shift ji gambeno bila concern dem.
Ha.
Kita jawnya be mu mokilin net. Bar am ni afanna fanan jibe gambenol say ngalo nyanta lonnale ko Gambia mol min nyanta lolo pour que Gambia samba sa famille president at vice president because president o nyanta lonnale ko ntebe loring sata waje sata wole londi ji sata o mi londi ji fenul mi alon ko halamadumol min ila nyanta dile la fanna jamal la fanna miliyalon ko mulbe fanna fala kono o fanna sabol kono jara ken dia do woleto do wor bunda do woleto anin na sato tanko do woleto so ntol lañu man sakunda na la vice president o ñi tol ye mum mira dal le sambadam pour que gambe no bondi wo kole ya ko kono itol lebune soto no ka fako gambenol mu gambenol di an gambenol preto pour que fan samba ñantam fan samba la because ndol le fo be sirin fo ko fo le na kole yalom fo le na dimol lo fo le na jara ke dia bundal lon because mamol do bi jele ka sasa do jara nole na mamol taw jele mi dalon ko ni doctorol meta do ko la ni jara ke dia bundatul tol meta wala sain to ñanta bu nekala ñanta jaaral bunda decentralized lale daw da yalla jaata ken ya facilité to ndoli mun labre soto ka fako ha gaminol fon ila data fa be bi jandi comme le jaata ken ya bunda bi jandi momo la sampulo bi ji iba jibe ka be décision jibe kan ko tabal min kan gaminol mun fanale di wala sign anin be 24 actually ko gambenol min tata karam wala bante ni wo londol bi je man nano gambe man sakunda mon be university ko do karawol ke kan wole karaw ke say wol do bundal ñi emphasize ka ñaadile ba implement kam mo ka ñaadile ni mo be ñew moy la pour ko jaata ken diaw bundar yu wa ka lafa mol ye fonyo kata makata wondi banko to mi ko na man sakundal mi ko hanin na boda la ma control no sakado ko na mol bundi ka feki samba dulal to ke jaraje ika ko no busi bulu jeni sa wala fono be pare bu kana ma koy bala fa min be kere ali ñi ñontu mom mi ko to lamman sakunda fo gambenol hani bi ma lonko ñanta mil tambindi la ko ñu lejante kala na man sakundal dos man sakunda mo minti ni miro kana mi ko ani halama dum mil sende je ani jamano kata ñambe mol ki miram mi ñama ko e fawle be fan sambala ntol ñanta bondilol ko ntol la UNDP manifesto ko lotala ko ka jata ken ya bunda pour ka kelem fo ad folulam fawle to bos abi jele binala nga decentralize momo idulal so mi yalan ko region wo region nala own health center mi yalan ko be mol makwela min do solo en jata ro laji borol kenyal ko fanbe tarra nyamal dino nimbe karam moto jara ken ya karam bodo university lembang fo na college lembang bo mol le sambana yo wol training wol pour la system wol ko no pour wol fane mol fana ma ko no mol be solo mo man sakunda si falla mil yalan ko be halama dum la nyanto di la ab jara ken dia bunda lembang anen am man sakunda ko lembang ado ko soto nya ko lembang mol be live nyamen peacefully nyokam be solo mo man sakunda si fal fo dum tol ma lon ko mol mi nyantan tol litla ni man ki man sakundati man sangara ha ite la fa min mol to kan tol man solo wala la sangaro o mi la sangaro o la on personal ko le tol kam fo nyaabe min nan ko yo wala ke ni yakata ma nyaamen tol yo wala fo tol man solo sangaro tol lafta you bring something yalla ko mol nyaabe tin ngala that it is moving 2.1 something million people me alon ko nothing's moved even fan implement kam yetenat kabri ya jame tata la health facility ni stock tale because at least kabri ya jame biji as at nga fo min biji wala biji ka mu frendo mol ka jaro min so ko nole ko buka bono ya mo buka siata ka ko ha tata jeno la dara jeno wan so no nga jibe rek min be keren but kabri ya jame mo do ja bela lota so to le mo pick from that point dole mo plan leke judi piko nanga sino no na do ko ke mos mo le biji betwa bu du jang ya karan kele so ko no mol bi jine ya karan sa wonni mol ko interact nyaadi le because mol le sato ko do fay mol le se do ko ato le mun yuru wala saman manji ali le mun bundale le je pour min yu 40 wol bi fan fala ji nyaami ni mo ma ko no la ji nyaami mol la ko do be ka sara la exactly mfawol be sidin da mal de problem on fele be kala da mal tema exactly mo bota damento yaado ne mo yalati exactly UDP ko la man sakunda ni nata be luwal londila man sakunda be ngol do lolale mo tamon damento yalo ifo le be du ko kele ifo la yalo ko wala man sakunda do ngol on be jile fondin kele di melo ko wol be wilin ne pot ko do ko ke en central government ni local government because it all found tam gunjurun kol dibe they will have representatives gunjur dibe batara nyame you so le ko wuli ka lo ka confront the protest kala I mean they are more settle this is thing it them in a community them they want to know what they want to yalla be min gen laji man fen gen je losses do bo la gen kan je factory be lo nje na fatale bu ka tax show o tax do se gunjur reform nole atala kala gunjurun kol le tata na fa ko gambelo le tam gunjurun kol ka how many percent la soto je hani 60% bu ka soto je hani 0.5% bu ka soto je ndol la fa mu muneti exactly fon dol ta ke no la fa wole bang fon ina ko gunjur so gunjur be lo ya ko ndol bun senel la ndol mun ni mutala ha man sa kunda ko be factory le fena jang ha tal woro be mu gambel tati ha so gunjur ta mu muneti je woni be livre gunjur yakki je e ko wol sangi fana ina ka jawlu bute ka wa man sa kunda ka wa nyulma fon dol ta ke no la bang be livre gunjur exactly gunjur area council be control every single thing laji man sakunda ya dambo ni mul la ko ko mol be livre nyame lafta livre wol nyama fongoli livre fongol fe fongoli man sakunda mala man sakunda be wol tama nyama because do man tama man sakunda te tama no la because do man sakunda man ta fenne ke kan to pour economy move damantata kata don't rola mo kan mo depressed economically the more enslaved economically don't move nola sate min full like almol samano don't pray the UDP la and UDP is the only solution lin la move forward and need a policy with their manifesto. What is in there? Each of this manifesto from this mess.
Yeah, Abaraga. Thank you so much.
Political
yeah.
Because
yeah. No, comfort no be diamond do men that I call for whether it's true or not, whether it's a fact or not. Comfort. So Aisha Toure right now is an angry person, is an arrogant person, and she will continue to behave like this. So let her continue to back as much as she could. But the Gambians are here to stay, especially those of us in the diaspora. We are here to stay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you must put on a fight on Mansola vice president. She's not ambitious for the Gambians, for the good for the health of the Gambians, for the interest of the Gambians, for the benefits of the Gambians.
Yeah. Abaraka.
Like for our homeland, so from we Gambians have to gain interest in any particular thing na right limb. The mal receiving. Na political the nation will move forward na dreams will achieve. Political nasa politics, but the fact is it will come matter what genders it only matter in a national development lay no be implementing for sign to hani bin to la mo be tamaka bi da jararo al ngani woni regula
it's very sad.
Hari di mol se do kulu mo joy kada recently milka bula ba ko ne kata kasala ko no be receive ko ko for jan sangi julo national development plan tamam bonandi abi mi ala ko they don't have no clues how to rule the government if they don't have any gender ko the benefit in future they don't have nothing absolutely for the help be min fela nan gambelo what bona be kedi for gambelo mi ala ko bona be kedi diaspora is something yalan kun told that bakaran kan every single day boss ika wuli nyame kata jëm do ko nyame bak encore ti jam fati jam be so ko la now you have to go on for some now so on coming for ko Gambia woti je to la mo bi jabi and we can do it so government mun to mako no but I mun plan someone to move on as a Gambians.
Thank you, Abaraka. Yes, yeah, Abaraka. My time is up, but thank you. Thank you so much. Never appreciate back. You man kela call for the what do what you can call down and do la kataka No. It's more than you are more than welcome. In fact, I will ask our program. Okay, feel free to call at any time. Abaraka. Thank you. Yeah, mbadi ngol be dan ro kala ko denke meni alon ko ba track am purka dunnang. Unfortunately, manna dunnang, especially my two colleagues, but will you understand Jarai and Alaji Jabata, will you remember caring sign. So na message of you receive la sign sign member nang from Banyul. Iko a grand total of $2,498,000. If this sum is subtracted from the $8.6 million that have already been approved by the Minister of Finance, you are left with $6,102,000. That just disappeared into thin air. This money was embraced today, Saturday, May the 30th, 2020, at the Gambia Police Headquarters in Banjul. Corruption at its peaks in the Gambia government. I would like to update you about the $8.6 million that have been budgeted for the security in response to fight the COVID-19. So this is a news, I'll be working on this news, and then I'll come back here and share this news with you guys. The Gambia Police Force for the security sectors, they from protect against COVID-19. The Banjul Police Station has been given $200,000 KMC $200,000, West Coast region $200,000, North Bank region $200,000, LRR $200,000, CRR $200,000, URR $200,000. Anti-crime unit is $200,000. Tourism security unit is $198,000. That comes to a total of $1,798,000. The Gambian Immigration Department, Banjul is $100,000, KMC $100,000, West Coast region, North Bank region, LRR, CRR, URR, all has been given $100,000 each. A total of $700,000 has been given to them. So $1,798,000 plus $700,000, a grand total of $2,498,000 has been given to the security sector. Puluka COVID-19 killer. But the amount that is budgeted for the security sector is $8.6 million. So $2,498,000 is bonding $8.6 million okono. Jelle tutaje $6,102,000 wo yemanta fonyo kono. Kenseng. Atata few. Mbekachala jane about this. It's a breaking news that we just received. But time today, when I'm back again, we will go into this my next topic. $8,600,000 is all in the security sector. Wala budget, wala black and white come, wala kaito come. Minister of Finance wala for. But only $2,498,000 was allocated to them. A balance of $6,102,000 wala tata. So I said to na bonyo na kanyana sunya ikon kana forana ni wada ni finida wada wada kamfa. Ala hake to time banta. Nta konton diwa kala no kotenge mbal beten to mbal jala la barka baga. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for your time. I love you all. And minimum do no pluka diamala hake to until I come your way again. Allah barka baga. Thank you so much everyone for your time. Thanks for sharing and thanks for your loyalty every single day in Infinity Ranja. So I'm sorry my colleagues Jarai and Alaji for not being able to pick your calls. But time all about. Allah barka daning video nyibe kuntula. Thank you everyone. Allah barka. Almasuto karosia.